What is up, guys? It's your boy Kevin, and today Domino's has launched a brand new Hello friends, what a beautiful sunny Canadian day it is. Hello friends, what a beautiful sunny day in Canada. I want to give a big shout out to our boy on TikTok, James K. Brace, for helping us out with this video. Domino's has released a brand new stuffed crust. The camera's over there. Hello friends, what a beautiful sunny Canadian day, and I want to give a big shout out to our boy James K. Brace over on TikTok for helping us out with this video. Domino's has launched a brand new breadstick. How are they going to revolutionize the breadstick? They already put cheese on it, now we have cheesy bread. Well, guess what? This cheesy bread is stuffed with pepperoni. That's right, pepperoni. What? What? Why would they do this? Will it be good? Will it be terrible? I don't know. We're going to try it out today. So we ordered Domino's, and it's already being cooked, as you can see over here, and I'm excited to try it with you guys. Domino's pizza has officially arrived. And what's inside of the box? That's right, the new stuffed cheesy bread. The new stuffed cheesy bread is stuffed with pepperoni. It does come with a jalapeno option. It does come with an extra cheese option. And I'm really excited to try this. Nobody said that the cheese stick was boring. The breadstick, kind of boring. They added cheese, a lot of fun. Stuff it with pepperoni, oh boy, you got a hit. Maybe. I will be the judge of that. So today we will be reviewing this Domino's pizza. Once again, a big shout outs to James K. Brace over on TikTok for helping us out with this video. It wouldn't have been made possible without him. So we got the marinara dip just over here. I'm just going to tap on the marinara dip. And then we have the garlic flavored dip over here. And we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Domino's pizza, as you can see here. So, as always, I got my handy dandy spy glasses over here. There you go. Now they're live, and we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Domino's pizza box. Oh! Oh my goodness, that is cheesy. That is a lot more cheese than your standard Domino's pizza cheesy stick. But it's heavy. This thing's like a brick of cheese. And it's supposedly stuffed with pepperoni. So I'm going to do this here. I'm going to place this here, and I'm going to pull this apart. And we're going to try it first without the marinara and garlic sauce, and then after, and I will give my recommendations on what to grab. So I'm going to pull apart this cheese stick right here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cheese sticks on here. Oh, okay, you got a little bit of a cheese pull. Here's your cross section on there. And you can see that layer of pepperoni sandwiched in between. It kind of looks like a pizza on its own. We'll give Kat a breadstick over here too. Whoa, look at that! Unbelievable cheese on this. I can see the pepperoni. It's layered in between. It's like a little sandwich. So we're gonna first try this without the dip. Let's go ahead and take our first bites. Oh man. Garlicky.
So cheesy.
Cheesy. Pepperoni. And those layers of cheese in between. Unbelievable. On its own, this thing slaps. And it's got like a little layer of like garlic butter on top. Or like oil, just from the sheer amount of cheese that's on there. Let's try it with the marinara sauce. This on its own slaps. Now we're going to try it with the marinara dip. Very good. Marinara dip. Oh. That's it. You need the marinara. I would say you don't need it.
No, you need it.
That elevates the whole thing.
That's so good.
Unbelievable. The marinara is sweet, cheesy, pepperoni. We're going to dig right into this box. Pull another cheese stick. Okay, you want to grab a cheese stick?
It is like super greasy though, so if you don't like, oh my gosh, if you don't like greasy food.
Look at this. It's leaving like a residue.
It's
on
heavy.
there.
It's a heavy boy.
You're going back for the marinara?
Oh yeah.
Sheesh. All right, we're going to open up the garlic dip. So we're opening up the garlic flavored dip. There it is. I like how they have to say garlic flavored sauce instead of it's flavored as garlic. It's not a garlic sauce. It's garlic flavored. I'm just going to do a quick cleanse before I jump into it. And a big shout outs to everybody that's saying hello on TikTok. I see you guys. Thank you so much for joining us here. We're just filming a quick YouTube video. This is actually going to be sliced into parts. Okay, so we got our garlic dip. We're going to be dipping our cheesy bread, our stuffed cheesy pepperoni bread into this. I'm going to go ahead and hit that dip. But first, I'm going to do a bite cam as well. So that's going to be edited in. Ooh, got that dip. Oh. Oh, man. Unbelievable. I think I'm ready to hit the review on this thing. The new stuffed breadstick from Domino's is extra cheesy, absolutely delicious, very oily. I'm going to have to give this thing a 9. Almost a perfect 10. If it was a little less oily on the fingers, I would give it a 10. But 9 out of 10, guys. This is a must try. And I believe for $8.99, unbeatable value. The garlic dip and the marinara dip does come on the side. It's an extra $1. I'd say go for it. It elevates it a little bit more. So good. Kat, what'd you think?
9.5. I don't think you need the garlic sauce because it's already so garlicky. I do like the crispy cheese crust that was formed around like the skirt of it.
So you're talking about this part here?
Yeah, that crispy little bit.
Look at that.
Just like pogos, you know? I like the crispy pieces.
We're going to pull apart this layer because you can actually see the pepperoni underneath.
It's like pepperoni, mozzarella, and then cheese on top. So it's like double cheese.
Almost like a mozzarella stick in between. Unbelievable, guys. Did you like that video? Why not check out some of our other videos? For more fast food content, gaming live streams, and travel, make sure you subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.